Imagine a world where thousands of tiny robots collaborate seamlessly to move objects hundreds of times their size. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Korean scientists have just made this a reality. These robotic ants are redefining teamwork in technology, mimicking nature's best engineers to tackle tasks that were once impossible. But how do they pull it off? And what does this mean for the future of robotics? Let's understand the science that fuels them. Swarm robotics takes inspiration from nature, specifically how ants, bees, and termites work together in a highly coordinated manner. Instead of relying on a single leader, these systems function through decentralized control. Each individual unit follows simple rules, but together they achieve incredibly complex feats. These robots, in fact, exhibit true teamwork without centralized commands. They communicate through sensors and AI-driven algorithms, adjusting in real time to external stimuli. Just like a colony of ants instinctively coordinates to carry a leaf, these robots synchronize their movements to transport objects far beyond their individual capabilities. Did you know that the inspiration for ant-inspired robots goes beyond just their teamwork? The way ants carry objects many times their own size is also being studied to improve the robot's lifting capabilities. The researchers at Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, have designed these robots to mimic nature's best multitaskers. By implementing advanced AI and motion sensors, these robots react dynamically to obstacles and terrain changes, making them ideal for unpredictable environments. It's one thing to say these robots can work together, but how exactly do they accomplish their tasks? Well, the secret, in fact, lies in their design and communication. These microrobots are built with an epoxy body embedded with magnetic particles. This allows them to respond to external magnetic fields and interact with each other, forming coordinated teams. Just like ants communicate through pheromones, these robots can be trained to share information and adapt their behavior based on the task at hand. This collective intelligence enables them to overcome obstacles and achieve goals that would be impossible for a single robot. Let's break it down for further clarity. 1. Decentralized control system. Unlike traditional robotics that require a central command, these robots operate independently yet cooperatively. They assess their surroundings, communicate data, and adjust accordingly, just like an ant colony. This allows them to function effectively even if some units fail. 2. AI-powered synchronization. These robots are equipped with artificial intelligence that enables them to analyze movements and coordinate in real time. They don't just follow pre-programmed paths, they adapt just like real insects. 3. Electromagnetic and suction-based gripping. To move objects, the robots utilize electromagnetic forces and suction technology. This allows them to grip and transport heavy items without conventional robotic arms. The result? Herculean strength in miniature form. Real-life demonstrations. Robots in action. A recent video showcases these robotic ants in action, lifting and moving objects far larger than themselves. Watching them work together in perfect harmony is mesmerizing, almost like a well-choreographed dance. Forget ants at a picnic. These microrobots are the real swarm you need to worry about if they ever decide to turn on us. Ha ha ha, jokes apart. One key highlight. A swarm of these robots successfully moved a large box using synchronized movements, proving that robotic cooperation can rival nature's most efficient workers. Did you know that a single army ant colony can transport over 50,000 prey items in just one day? These robotic ants are quickly catching up. The potential applications of these ant-inspired robots are vast. This breakthrough isn't just about cool tech, it has massive industry implications as well. 1. Manufacturing and logistics. These robots could revolutionize manufacturing and logistics. Factories could deploy these swarms to transport materials efficiently, reducing reliance on conveyor belts and forklifts. Their small size and ability to navigate tight spaces make them ideal for tasks like assembling complex machinery or inspecting hard-to-reach areas in factories. The possibilities are truly endless. 2. search and rescue operations. Then, in disaster-struck areas, these robots could navigate debris, locating and rescuing trapped victims without putting human lives at risk. 3. Space exploration. Moreover, NASA and other space agencies are exploring swarm robotics for off-world missions. These robots could one day work together to build infrastructure on the Moon or Mars. 4. Medical treatment. And above all, these robots are so small, they could literally get under your skin to perform life-saving medical procedures, of course. An ITC.ua article mentions their potential use in the medical field. Imagine tiny robots navigating through our bloodstreams, delivering medication directly to disease cells, or performing delicate surgeries from within. Hence, swarm robotics has the potential to revolutionize industries by introducing highly adaptable, decentralized problem-solving machines. New Scientist. While the potential of ant-inspired robots is undeniable, several challenges must be overcome before they can be widely deployed. One major hurdle is autonomy. These robots are still under development and require significant advancements in decision-making capabilities. In fact, to be truly effective, they must navigate complex environments and operate independently without constant human intervention. Mobility is another concern. As highlighted in the ITC.ua article, these tiny machines struggle in confined spaces, limiting their real-world applications. Researchers are actively working on improving their adaptability and movement to overcome this limitation. Beyond these technical constraints, 3 critical challenges remain: communication and coordination. Synchronizing thousands of robots without interference is no small feat. Ensuring seamless teamwork requires advanced AI algorithms, and researchers are continuously refining these systems to enhance efficiency. Energy efficiency. Powering vast swarms of miniature robots is another significant challenge. Traditional battery solutions are impractical, so scientists are exploring alternative energy sources like solar and kinetic energy to extend their operational lifespan. Ethical concerns. And finally, with great power comes great responsibility. The potential for misuse, from surveillance to autonomous warfare, raises ethical questions. Discussions around regulation and responsible deployment are already underway to ensure this technology benefits humanity. Despite these challenges, the progress in ant-inspired robotics is groundbreaking. As researchers push the boundaries of autonomy, mobility, and energy efficiency, these tiny machines could revolutionize industries in ways we've just begun to imagine. You see, the future of ant-inspired robotics looks incredibly promising. Scientists are constantly making breakthroughs, and with continued research, we can expect to see these tiny titans working alongside us soon in various fields. But here's the real question: are we ready for a swarm future? Well, swarm robotics is no longer just a concept of the future. It's happening now. These tiny but mighty machines are proving that teamwork isn't just a human trait. Imagine a world where swarms of robots collaborate to clean up hazardous waste sites, perform search and rescue missions in disaster zones, or even explore the depths of our oceans. From lifting heavy loads to revolutionizing emergency response, their potential is truly mind-boggling. As research accelerates, one thing is clear: the era of swarm robotics has begun, and its impact will be nothing short of revolutionary. So, what do you think about these ant-inspired robots? Could these tiny machines revolutionize industries, or are they too risky to control? Do you find the idea of microscopic machines working together fascinating or a little creepy? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the future of robotics together.